What was really helpful and good in this session is that we are certified. We already have been working with the Scrum process and methodology, and we are getting used to some of the rituals and the way it should be done. But in this session, there were a lot of questions or problem statements which kind of brought out things where I was forced to think that okay, perhaps I was missing this kind of a picture. So I was looking at things from a new eye and new angle. So I hope that learning I can take to my project teams, and definitely we can see a lot of improvements. As an agile coach, I'm really looking forward to see that happen.
Any specific learnings that you want to share with me that you thought was very powerful for you in this professional Scrum Foundation course that we are doing over here?
Okay, I'll have to think a bit on this one.
In this session completely, what we identified that we as a agile master or as a scrum master, we are involved much higher intensity. But after the session, I get to know that we are that much not required to involve into the things. That was the most specific thing. We are the person who have to sit back and observe and let the team self-organize themselves. That's the best part of the session.
Think for me, one point which was courage.
Right.
Because a lot of times this role is, there are so many conflicts, so many things like, okay, you should be doing this, or perhaps somebody comes back saying that you should be doing this better, maybe you should be more passive, more aggressive, such kind of things. So somewhere you don't find a correct way, but with courage as a highlighting factor, I think some of the things I look with fresher eyes.
Okay, and who was your trainer, by the way?
Hiren Doshi.
From Scrum.org?
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
Thank you so much. Ravi, why don't you tell us something more?
Okay, so what the main point that I would say I like about this training. So rituals we all know the practices, but the way that you taught us, you bring different scenarios. For example, you bring different scenarios for retrospective. You present various case studies that how to run a sprint, and you at the end you presented a case that there are two teams and they have to integrate their work together. So you add the right amount of complexity and right amount of real-time scenarios, and under that stress situation how agile coach or scrum coach should work. So that kind of scenario was really helpful to think out of the box and to think that how to come for a solution, because the practices or rituals we can all read into books and various other things, but this point was really value adding from you.
Okay. Thank you so much, Ravi.
Yeah.
Greatly appreciate it,
Yeah.
and wish you the very best.
Yeah.